Hi, y'all. Wanted to share some information with you guys. I'm working with a manufacturer in China through Alibaba for a product that I'm releasing. And a couple of things when you're ordering off Alibaba, that's the first thing. One, always get a sample. When you order the sample, make sure the sample is of exactly what you ordered. So I'll give you an example. I ordered a sample, then pay for it and everything. And samples are expensive. It's going to cost you anywhere from $60 to $120 for a sample. And the lady then comes back and emails me on WhatsApp to tell me that they don't have that particular color, but that she's going to send me something comparable to it. No, I want what I paid for. Because again, it doesn't help me to see something that's comparable to it when I get ready to place my bulk order. I don't really know what the actual product looks like because you never sent it to me. So that's the first thing. Always make sure that you get the actual product for the sample. So I went back and forth with her, and not only am I going to get the actual product that I requested the first time, but she's also going to send it to me with my logo and everything on it. So it'll be the complete product. Now, it is going to cost me $85 for something that I think the price through them is like $3.20 for the actual product. But that's just the way it goes. Now, what I used to do, I used to go to Hong Kong. So the Hong Kong Trade Development Council has a fair where you can go and touch and feel these things. I haven't been since COVID, and I'm actually trying to align my travels now so that I can go back. But it's not difficult dealing with manufacturers on Alibaba. You just have to make sure you get a sample and make sure that you're very clear about what it is that you want, and don't have them send you something different, because once you get the bulk order, it's yours. You can't return it. So you're stuck with it. And there's nothing you can do. There's no one you can call. There's no, none of that. So you have to make sure that it's right and that it's exactly what you want it to be. And then the other thing too, there's so many manufacturers on Alibaba. You have to make sure that you vetted them and make sure that they're easy to work with. Because, like, I'll give you an example. I ordered 2 products last night. One is already shipped, no problem. Logo on it, done. This other one, like, the woman, she emails me and tells me she can't give me what I asked for. And then after I go back and forth with her, now all of a sudden you can give me what I asked for. So now I'm hesitant about working with her because you didn't give me what I asked for in the first place. You know what I'm saying? So that kind of stuff. So go with your gut, but just make sure that you get what you paid for. That's the biggest thing.